Wow, tax bond, Terra Classic tax bond. In the past 3 months, Terra Classic tax bond have actually bond a little bit over 3 billion coins of Terra Classic in 3 months by the tax bond. So, should we say that this is a success, or should we say, for me, I don't say anything because I don't think this is good for Terra Classic. In 3 months, we are not saying in 1 week, or we are not saying in 1 month. In 3 months. So by the time you divide this should be about 1 billion bond, the tax bond, and this is quite small if you compare what initially people believed that the tax bond can bond. And I believe, and I even saw a blog and a video when the tax bond, they wanted to talk about they wanted to introduce the tax bond, and this crypto expert analyzed the tax bond, saying that the tax bond is capable of bonding 10 billion to over 70 billion coins in a single day. I was like, 10 billion to 70 billion. But they believe that so many people, they were able to record high trading volume, hitting that Terra Classic market cap might be hitting towards 20 billion to 30 billion dollars market cap, and we should be trading. They will be trading with the trading volume of over $3 billion. And by the time you do this calculation, you discover that yes, there's a possibility of burning such number of coins in a single day. But I mean, we are now talking about 3 billion in 3 months. So can I say that the tax bond is a failure, or is still a success? Right now, I think the total bond, the tax bond have bond a total of over 21 billion coins in total. So since last year, 21 billion bonds. So is it success or is it a failure? You cannot say it's a failure, because even though they bond just 1 billion, it's something. I think they created something, they brought out a project. That was last year, and this project, this tax bond have bond over 20 billion coins. So of course, by the time you check this tax bond bonding, that compared to normal general bonding, LNC is bonding almost 65 billion coins, and tax bond alone is bonding 21. So tax bond for me is still a success on its own part, but just that it did not bond more coins the way we expected it. So for me, in the past 3 months right now, the tax bond has actually bond just 3 billion coins of Terra Classic, which is not good. So, but I believe that with time, by the time LNC starts recording more trading volume, more investors coming in, millions of dollars or billions of dollars being traded in a single day, you will see the wonders of the tax bond. Let's Terra Classic market cap, let's say the trading volume just hit $1 billion. Then you will see the wonders of tax bond. You will see how powerful tax bond can really help Terra Classic coin to grow faster, to hit that dream, to hit that goal we all wanted. Please remember this on the financial advice, so please can do your own research.